or not. So Sambit, it is a fine, you have okay from the center, but am I right in saying eventually it's the individual states which have the discretion of deciding what shops to open and not open? Yeah, Viren, you want to add something as well? Viren, yeah, go on.
Whatever the guidelines was there, they should have very clearly said that only villages shops will remain open, only not the cities, so that it would be very clear. But that was not the clarity on the guidelines. So that's why the confusion all over all the states, there was a confusion in this.
Yeah, but what is the reality? What is the picture on the ground? Yes, Sambit wants to clarify. Sambit.
See, you have to understand that as far as the states and the center is concerned in this federal structure, the instruction was, well, yes, the states have to. The broad guidelines were given by the center. The states can tailor make it depending on the situation in the state. First and foremost, no one can exceed what the brief has been given by the center. But of course, you can put things into hold. For instance, if the shops in the villages are allowed to be open, you can keep them shut if it is a containment zone. But you cannot exceed the brief of the center, number one. Number two, very importantly, what Mr. Viren was saying right now, villages and cities. Technical term used was the boundary of municipality. Anything beyond municipality, of course, was rural areas. And that which comes under the municipality area is the city area. Because it was technical, so many people might not have understood, and it was later clarified. So in the village areas, which generally do not have malls, malls are to be shut everywhere. And any other shop, apart from malls in the village area that comes apart from our municipal areas, would be open. In the city areas, that means technically speaking in the municipal areas, we have three categories of shops which would be open. The neighborhood shops, which in Hindi we would say, hamare ghar ke aas-paas ke kirane ki dukaan, number one. The residential complexes, many of us staying in residential areas have residential complexes. These complexes can be open. Number three, and very importantly, we can have our stand-alone shops. So a string of shops in a shopping complex will not be allowed, but a stand-alone shop. And all this would be functioning with 50% of the staff. So if you see this broadly, I believe I have explained what it is. And as to why the shops were allowed to open, I would say that, well, look, Prime Minister had said previously, now it is Jaan bhi and Jahan bhi. So, of course, Jaan and Jahan both have to be looked after. But sabko sara Jahan ek saath nahi mil sakta hai. So, Jahan tukdo. थोड़े टुकड़ों में थोड़ा है थोड़े की जरूरत है. This is the way we get our Jahan back.
Yeah, interesting. So, the question is that, is it business as usual? Everyone's on. We'll take some phone calls as well. We've got a lot of questions coming in on Twitter. So the idea is to open up in the lockdown questions. So the question many people are asking is it business as usual for shops that can now open, or are there rules to be followed? This has been clarified by Sambit Patra. All permitted shops can only open with a 50% strength.